Hi, I'm Selena, a certified teacher with 20 years of experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll cover the knowledge of program operation for the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 exam. You'll learn how to plan, manage, and assess marketing programs that align with industry standards and give students hands-on, real-world experience. Let's get started. A marketing educator wants to incorporate project-based learning into their curriculum. Which of the following is the most effective way to structure a PBL activity to ensure students gain practical skills in marketing program operations? A. Assign students a fictional product to create a marketing plan without involving real-world elements. B. Having students create a marketing campaign for a local business, including market research, budgeting, and promotional strategies. C. Provide students with a list of marketing terms to memorize and evaluate them at the end of the project. Or D. Ask students to read a case study about a successful marketing campaign and write a summary. A. Fictional product without real-world elements is incorrect. This keeps the project purely theoretical. Students won't learn how to navigate actual market conditions or stakeholder needs. C. Memorizing marketing terms is incorrect. Rote learning of vocabulary doesn't develop the critical thinking, planning, or decision-making skills needed in real marketing operations. D. Reading and summarizing a case study is incorrect. While useful for context, passive reading doesn't give students hands-on experience. The correct answer is B. Have students create a marketing campaign for a local business, including market research, budgeting, and promotional strategies. It involves students in a real-world task that requires them to apply a variety of skills related to marketing program operations, such as conducting market research, creating budgets, and developing promotional strategies. This hands-on approach simulates actual marketing scenarios, providing valuable practical experience. A high school marketing program is planning to host a student-run pop-up shop as part of their curriculum. Which of the following steps should be prioritized to effectively manage the operations of the pop-up shop? A. Ensure students focus on creating appealing store displays before any market research is conducted. B. Have students conduct a SWOT analysis to understand the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with the pop-up shop. C. Allow students to skip inventory management to focus solely on sales techniques. Or D. Begin the project by having students decide on the shop's opening hours without considering customer demand. A. Focus on store displays before research is incorrect. Skipping market research means students might design displays that don't appeal to their actual target audience. C. Skip inventory management is incorrect. Inventory is essential for any retail operation. D. Decide opening hours without customer input. Hours should be based on when customers are most likely to shop. Skipping this step may lead to poor turnout. The correct answer is B. Conducting an SWOT analysis is a critical step in understanding the internal and external factors that can affect the success of the pop-up shop. It helps students identify areas of focus and potential challenges, which are essential for effective program operations. A marketing teacher is developing a new assessment method for evaluating students' ability to manage marketing program operations. Which of the following would be the most effective assessment tool? A. A written exam that tests students' knowledge of marketing terminology. B. A group presentation where students propose a marketing strategy based on a hypothetical scenario. C. A simulation where students must manage a marketing budget, track expenses, and adjust strategies based on real-time feedback. Or D. A multiple-choice quiz focused on the history of marketing theories. A. Written exam on terminology is incorrect. This tests memory, not application. B. Group presentation on a hypothetical strategy is incorrect. While creative, it lacks the hands-on management and decision-making aspect needing to assess operational skills. D. Quiz on marketing theory is incorrect. This focuses on past theories, not present-day skills. The correct answer is C. A simulation where students must manage a marketing budget, track expenses, and adjust strategies based on real-time feedback. This provides students with a hands-on opportunity to manage real-time operations, such as budgeting and strategy adjustments, which are critical components of marketing program operations. This method evaluates their ability to apply knowledge in a practical setting. When planning a marketing program's year-long schedule, which of the following is the best approach to ensure smooth operation and alignment with industry standards? A. Start the year with a series of guest speakers and leave project planning until the final quarter. B. Focus exclusively on hands-on projects without integrating any industry theory or standards. C. Have students vote on what topics they want to cover, regardless of industry relevance. D. Begin with basic theory, followed by hands-on projects, and conclude with an evaluation and reflection on industry trends. A. Start with guest speakers, delay projects is incorrect. Guest speakers can be valuable, but delaying project planning until the end limits students' time to apply what they've learned. B. Focus only on hands-on projects is incorrect. Practical work is important, but without theory or standards, students may miss key concepts and lack industry-aligned understanding. C. Let students choose topics regardless of relevance is incorrect. Student choice is great, but ignoring industry relevance can result in gaps in essential skills and knowledge. The correct answer is D. Begin with basic theory, followed by hands-on projects, and conclude with an evaluation and reflection on industry trends. This balances the introduction of theoretical knowledge with practical application through hands-on projects, culminating in a reflection on industry standards. This structured approach ensures that students not only understand the theory, but also see how it is applied in real-world scenarios. Thanks for joining me on some practice questions for the knowledge of program operations for the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 exam. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.